if you are not getting incoming text message notification sound only for 2-3 contacts and getting for rest of the contact, then let us see what to do. Now if we have done everything and checked every settings, then the last thing that you can do is you have to go to this settings option here and go to this option apps. After that, tap on these three dot icons here, select this option reset app preferences and then select reset. Now once you select this option, if you have made customizations to your applications, then it will be removed and all the application will go back to the default state. That means not only a single application but other applications also will revert back to the default state. So you have to do this at your own risk and check if you can receive text message notification sound now or not.